So this is my second time back to see Master Kim. I came yesterday. I was in a lot of discomfort and I wanted to try and figure out if this treatment actually works. Came yesterday and had wonderful results. I have arthritis in my knees and in my elbow and in my thumb joints. So it was worth giving it a shot. I came yesterday, was absolutely blown away by the results. I walked out of here pain-free. Got up this morning, felt really good. Had a little bit of stiffness in one knee, but no pain, which I've been having, was the pains. Came in today again, we just had another session. Again, I've walked around, feel great, feel completely normal. It's just a fantastic experience. I would highly recommend this to anybody that's any type of pain.